Have you ever seen an action communicator or a third thumb? In this video, we will look at some cool gadgets that your friends will want. Links with the prices are in the description below, and let us know in the comments what type of tech and gadgets you like. Let's go. Number 1. Third thumb. Have you ever wondered what would happen if people possessed an extra third thumb? You don't have to wonder anymore. This project has already been explored by a new neuroscientific study called the Third Thumb Project. The product that was created is beyond anything we've ever imagined. The 3D printed thumb works as an extension for the hand that can move like a real thumb. However, the only difference is that it's controlled by your toes. The prosthetic thumb can seamlessly grip and hold any object. It doesn't take much time to get used to. It feels like it's a part of your own body. Number 2. Edge Full Kit. Whether you're a student, a streamer, or a work-from-home employee, there's no doubt that the Edge Kit is a gadget that will come in handy. It's a gadget that allows you to extend your screen by mounting your phone next to it. The magnetic system is sturdy and reliable, so you don't have to worry about your phone dropping even in the toughest conditions. In addition to mounting your phone, the Edge Kit also boasts a universal wireless charger. And let's not forget the Edge Light, which is a necessity for online meetings. It's a cool gadget that makes life a bit easier for you. Number 3. Smart Pen. This smart pen is a must-have product that will make all the difference in tough situations despite its name and appearance. This pen is not actually a pen. It's the world's thinnest mobile phone that has the important functions of a cellular device and much more. It can last up to 6 days on a single charge and offers many features like 13 voice changers, a recorder, MP3, dual camera, and Bluetooth. A powerful, fun gadget all disguised as a pen. Number 4. Cat Loco. Want to take your gaming experience to the next level? Then meet your new best friend, the Cat Loco, the ultimate virtual reality system. You'll be able to walk and run in any direction, look around, aim and shoot with accuracy and precision. This is surprisingly simple and easy to install. It's not for gaming purposes. It can also be used for educational simulations, real estate, social media, and fitness industry. Number 5. TickTock Rugged Smartphone. While the iPhones and other smartphones are made for our day-to-day usage, this smartphone creates a completely different demographic. The dual-screen rugged smartphone is the ideal device for adventurous people who are looking for a phone that can withstand dust and water. It has a 48-megapixel rear camera with flash, built-in navigation, dual nano SIM cards, fingerprint lock, and of course 2 programmable keys, which is perfect for an adventure. Number 6. Embr Wave. This Embr bracelet is a simple tool that's the perfect solution for people who constantly suffer from hot flashes or cold sweat. So how exactly can a bracelet give you instant relief from these frustrating issues? Well, it all lies in their patented technology and the option to personalize it according to your preferences. Once you wear the Embr bracelet, you can easily press a button that will release cooling waves onto your skin consequently. These waves will trigger a response from your body that will ease the hot flashes and give you instant relief in seconds. And for more personalization, you can download their Embr 2-Wave app to select the type of cooling that suits you more. Number 7. Pawport Pet Door. The Pawport is a small gadget that will transform the old-fashioned look of the pet doors that many of us dislike into a functional door with a sleek design. It has incredibly useful features. It can simply slide onto an existing pet door frame, and thanks to a Bluetooth collar tag, it'll slide open when your pet is near the door, and then it's going to slowly close after. The app will give you the option to lock and unlock the door remotely and set curfews and schedules, giving you complete access from your mobile device. It's a great way to give your pet freedom, but keep them safe at the same time. Number 8. Package Opener. The Nimble Package Opener is a convenient, easy-to-use device that will allow you to open any package with the tips of your finger. This small tool can snugly fit on the tip of your fingers to help you open up boxes, packages, wrapping paper, and sticky tape. The blade is long-lasting, even longer-lasting than steel. The nimbleness makes the tool adaptable for fingers of all sizes. It's a mini gadget that could be super handy. Number 9. Action Communicator. Being able to communicate with your group of friends when you're surfing, skiing, or even riding your bicycle is something that's not always possible. But with this gadget, you can communicate with your friends even if you're smack dab in the middle of the ocean. The idea behind the wireless networking device is simple enough. All you have to do is connect your devices by bringing them together and pressing a button. This gadget offers a clear voice with background noise suppression a wide range, thanks to its mesh network and the option to use it on any adventures without having to worry about getting it wet or breaking. It also has a secure magnetic clip that will ensure that the Milo device doesn't detach, no matter the circumstances. It can be used for 24 hours on a single charge. Number 10. Mini Safe. The best thing about the Mini Safe is that not only does it prevent people from stealing your cash, but it also protects your credit card from wireless skimming, thanks to its rigid fraud protection. It also is equipped with a tracking system that can help you locate your lost wallet easily. Number 11. LED Faucet. Changing the look of the bathroom doesn't always have to cost thousands of dollars. It can be done by adding something as mesmerizing as a faucet that changes color depending on the temperature of the water. This faucet is a stylish bathroom faucet that features a white glass spout which simulates a small waterfall-like effect. It's a great way to add some flair to your bathroom. Number 12. Automatic Cup Washer. An automatic cup washer is a must-have gadget that will save a lot of time and energy when you're doing one of the most dreadful tasks in the kitchen, washing the glasses. The mountable device uses a powerful water jet to thoroughly clean your cup from any residue, leaving you with a squeaky clean cup that's ready to use. It can be used for cups of any shape or size. The cup washer chassis and the pressing part of the cup mouth are made of high-quality ABS material, and the main body is made of copper, and the surface is electroplated. It has been tested many times before leaving the factory and is of high quality and durable. It reduces labor intensity, improves work efficiency, and improves cleanliness. It is the first choice for kitchen cup washing. Number 13. Fire Starter Knife. This is a reliable tool that eliminates the worry of having to start a fire, even in dire situations. This fire starter kit includes a 2.5 mm stainless steel blade with a friction grip handle, a polymer sheath, and an integrated magnesium alloy. It works even when it's wet. The high-quality blade can also be used to prepare food, make feather sticks, and carvings. It's a great gadget for an adventure in the woods. Number 14. BitVault. Here's a cool little gadget that has multiple features. Some of the most useful tools comes in compact sizes, and this can be carried like a keychain. It doubles as a compact screwdriver, as well as a small vault that can keep your belongings such as an SD card, cash, and a wide variety of items. It's water-resistant to keep your items water and moisture-free. It comes with 2 color options that will fit everyone's taste. Number 15. Smartphone Scanner. This scanner is an innovative imaging device that will eliminate the need to demolish walls in order to check the water pipes or wiring. The scanner attaches to the back of any Android smartphone. The revolutionary device can see through any type of surface, even cement up to 4 inches in depth. If you have a tiny rodent that is made at home within your walls, the Walabot can also help you locate it by its movement. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.